Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Academy. This time we are going to use the STEM kit once again. We are going to look at the gear system. So this is gears. As you can see, it looks like wheels, but it has little teeth around the edges. We call the little teeth as cogs. These cogs can fit into another cogs from a different gear. For example, like this. Can you see it? Gears are used in many items in our daily life. For example, in our cars, in our watches, our toys, and also in the machines. Gears help to transfer force in the mechanical system. As the gears turns, it will transfer the energy from one gear to the other gear. Now, we are going to build our own simple gear systems, and then we are going to look at how different gear sizes will affect the rotation of the other gear, which will translate to the amount of energy being transferred. Let's start. We are going to use the booklet again to follow the instruction. So this is our gear system. As you can see, when I turn the small gear, the big gear will also turn around. So what we want to do now is we want to find out how many rotation of the small gear is needed to make one complete rotation of the big gear. And once we're done with that, we will record the result inside the table over here. And then after that, we will change it with the medium size gear. So in your opinion, which gear size will require less rotation of the small gear? Is it the big gear or the medium size gear? That is all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye!